Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy trial advocacy skills with National Institute for Trial Advocacy, complete guide step by step clearly. To effectively deploy trial advocacy skills, start by understanding the foundational principles of trial advocacy. Familiarize yourself with the National Institute for Trial Advocacy, or NITA, and what it offers. Explore NITA's website to find resources, including training programs, courses, and workshops. Enroll in a NITA program that aligns with your goals as a trial advocate. Participate in hands-on training to develop core skills such as oral advocacy, legal analysis, and witness preparation. Engage in mock trials to practice your skills in a realistic setting. Seek feedback from instructors and peers during these mock trials to identify strengths and areas for improvement. Utilize NITA's extensive library of publications and online resources to deepen your knowledge. Integrate the techniques learned into your actual trial preparation and execution. Stay updated on advances in trial advocacy by attending additional training sessions or workshops. Participate in peer discussions and local networking events to share experiences and learn from others in the field. Consistently reflect on your trial experiences to refine your skills over time. Record your practice sessions to assess your performance and make adjustments as needed. Adopt a mindset of continuous learning, seeking new challenges and experiences to enhance your advocacy skills. Leverage mentorship opportunities within the NITA community to gain insights and guidance. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to deploy effective trial advocacy skills in your legal practice. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.